Good morning, dear students. So today I am going to teach you poem number 4, Why. I am going to read this poem. Please, you see in the textbook on page number 60. I know a curious little boy who is always asking why. Why this? Why that? Why then? Why now? Why not? And why but the why? He wants to know why wood should speak, why leaf and marble sing, the sun, why sun should shine and wind should blow, and why we eat and drink. So here there is one boy and he is asking so many questions. That why this thing is happening, why then, why now, why not, why by the by. So he wants to know why wood should speak. उसको क्या जानना है कि जो लकड़ियाँ हैं वो क्यों तैर रही हैं. Why leaf and marble sink. ये जो सिंक और मार्बल है वो क्यों डूब जाते हैं पानी में. Why sun should shine and winds should blow. सन और सूरज क्यों चमकने लगता है, क्यों शाइन दिखा रहा है. And why we eat and why we drink. So why we eat and why we drink. हम फूड क्यों खाते और पानी क्यों पीते हैं. He wants to know what makes the cloud and why they cross the sky. Why sings the sun behind the hills and why the flowers die. So again so many questions are there in his mind. वो जानना चाहता है कि बादल क्यों बरस रहे हैं, बादल क्यों बन जाते हैं. Then again why they cross the sky. आसमान को क्रॉस क्यों करते हैं बादल. Why sings the sun behind the hills. सूरज पहाड़ियों के ऊपर क्यों छुप जाते हैं. Why and why the flowers die. और जो flowers है वो क्यों मुरझा जाते हैं. Some of these whys are not too hard to answer if you will try. Others no one ever yet has found the reason why. So some questions are very hard and some answer is very hard that we are not able to give the answer also and we are not able to give the question also.
Okay, now let's do exercise. Name a few things that sing. List 3 questions that the little boy asked. First one, why wood should swim? B. Why we eat and drink? C. What makes the clouds? 3 number, what sort of a boy is described in the poem? Answer is B. Curious. Let's talk. Ram is a curious little boy. He is always asking questions. One day, he came home and asked his mother questions like, why can't we look at the sun during a solar eclipse? Answer is, we can't look at the sun during a solar eclipse as the sun radiation can harm our eyes. Second one, why can't we touch the sun? Because we can't touch the sun because it is very far from us. Third one, why can't we go out to play in the dark? We can't go out to play in the dark because we will not be able to see anything and can even fall down while playing. Discuss these questions with your teacher and class. Do you know the answer? Word building. Fill in the blanks with the words from the poem which rhyme with the colored words in the sentence. Why is the sky so high? Do you know the color of flowers? Have you found who made the clouds? Put the glass in the sink after you finish your drink. The spelling of these words are jumbled. Put them right and make sentences of your own. Work, known, I know him very well. WISM, swim, I cannot swim. DAEL, lead, I have a lead pencil. BLARME, marble, please give me 2 marbles. LLIHS, hills, my house is on a hill. Let's write. Discuss and write. A. Why do cats and dogs fight? This is cat. Cats and dogs fight because they do not like each other. B. Why do we walk across the road, not run? We walk across the road, not run, to avoid an accident. Why do people like ice cream? People eat ice cream because it is sweet and cool. 2 number. Write down a list 2 questions. Write down at least 2 questions using why. Why the ants are so small? Why the sun is round? So here